Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 2746G gold anodized aluminum half saddle threshold. This is a half saddle threshold because it is half of a full saddle threshold, so that it's tapered on one side and cut or blunt at 90 degrees on the opposite side. And that is typically what half saddle refers to. Okay, so this is a very common item that you're going to use to transition from two uneven floor surfaces, really, and its dimensional properties make it pretty common where you might see a threshold like this where you've got a requirement of a 6-inch depth and then a height of a 1/4 inch. Okay, will very likely transition from a exterior sill up into a vinyl tile scenario that you might see in a shop setting, an exterior door. You might see it in a variety of applications where there's just a small sort of transition. Even residential applications we've seen this installed in as well. One other thing that it's used for is to custom make a special width half saddle. Let's say you needed 5 1/4. Well, you could take the 2746 and literally rip that on your table saw to accomplish the net size that you want. Obviously there's only one support or rib down below, so you might have to negotiate how that's going to work, but it's been used for that as well. Okay, this is going to be available in the, first of all, this is the G finish, gold anodized, and this is a sample. It's literally just a sample piece. Also available as the A finish. If you change the G to an A, you'll get mill aluminum finish. If you change the G to a D, you'll get a dark bronze anodized aluminum finish. Okay, this is listed in the website in all of the common lengths, everything from about 2 foot up to about 8 foot. Now, if this was the genuine article, it would have a countersink at about 4 or 5 inches from the end, and then it would have a proper center to center. Generally, what you do is if you have a 3-foot piece, you'll have 4 screws. A 5-foot piece would have, or I should say, countersinks. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field the net length you want us to ship the material out at. The advantage there is that it will save you the trouble of having to cut it, and the factory gets a very accurate, clean cut when they ship it out pre-cut naturally. But then also the countersinking is crucial. You can drill a hole, but sometimes for the client in the field, creating the countersink is the challenge. And I've seen countless thresholds installed where someone's just drilled a round hole and then put a flathead screw into it. Well, with all of the traffic, the volume that goes over the threshold, with forces pushing it this way, with forces pushing it this way, it's just a matter of time before that screw will work itself loose. So it's very handy to have a countersink to take advantage of the surface area of the underside of the flathead screw. So if you ordered a custom length, which I suggest that you do, we will not only cut it to length, but we'll give you that first countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. Now, the name Pemko is quite synonymous with all things weather stripping related. There's a link below this video where you can review not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Pemko 2746G gold anodized aluminum half saddle threshold or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.